If you ever visit Stuttgart, you should not miss to experience the spectacular Mercedes-Benz Museum. The museum provides visitors with affordable audio tours in a variety of languages. The ticket as of now costs 16 euros. To start your tour, you will scan the ticket to enter going to the glass elevator that will take you to the 7th floor where you begin the spiral journey downwards past more than 160 vehicles. The audio guide has a general introduction to each section, and then each display has even more facts and figures you can listen to if something takes your particular interest. You can also read on the information displayed on the walls and on every celebrity cars. Inside, you will find the 40 horsepower Mercedes Simplex belong to the American billionaire William K. Vanderbilt. Delivered in March 1902, it is today the world's oldest surviving Mercedes. Some of them are those cars used by Princess Diana, Pope John Paul, the car which was used by the movie Lost World, and many more. I am also amazed in one of the large hall displaying more than a dozen racing car models. You will also have the opportunity to sit on one of the benches looking at the monitor. Seems like you are watching a race. The stage is totally designed to imitate a car racing scene. The museum is designed based on a unique cloverleaf concept, using the 3 overlapping circles with the center removed to form a triangular atrium, recalling the shape of a Wankel engine. The building was completed and opened on 19th May 2006. The museum is out of the city center, near the Daimler factory, but it's easy to reach by public transport or car. The museum is clearly trying to capture the style and sophistication of the cars that bear its name. It makes for an experience beyond the purely informative, and often I find myself admiring the way things have been laid out more than the actual cars. Mercedes-Benz Museum covers the history of the Mercedes-Benz brand and the brands associated with it. Stuttgart is the home to the Mercedes-Benz brand and international headquarters of the Mercedes-Benz Group. There are more than 160 vehicles on display at the Mercedes-Benz Museum, including buses, trucks, and some cars from more than a century ago. In total, there are more than 1,500 exhibits at the museum about topics like Carl Benz's life and development of the engine right up to hydrogen and electric versions. The vehicles are maintained by the Mercedes-Benz Classic Center of Fellbach. The museum is totally conducive for all ages and also a wheelchair-friendly museum. Kids, even adults, will also enjoy some of the exciting and challenging games in one of its halls. And if you get hungry, there's a cafe bar on level 1 with food and beverages. And before leaving the place, you can also visit the shopping area at the ground floor where you can buy cute souvenir products such as ball pens, t-shirts, perfumes, caps, mugs, and many more. Within the shopping area, you can find the cozy cafe and bar where you can stay and chill for a moment. So when you get to Stuttgart, I recommend making the museum as part of your itinerary. It's an incredible complex, and I don't think you will be disappointed. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose